is a yuzu lemon plant. This is the most like fragrant lemon, very popular in like Japanese cuisine. Look at this branch. This branch has like, this branch is loaded with fruits. I'm about to prepare our brunch. It's kind of like skillet with the mortadella that we got from Amazon Fresh yesterday, and then the bell pepper that we harvested from the backyard garden. This is the last of the peppers this season, and then tomatoes, cheese, and like eggs. So join me, I'll cook this like brunch. And then potatoes too, we have a lot of potatoes. Now I'll prepare the eggs. Let's add milk.
With a little bit of spinning the breeze. Go.
Let's harvest some herbs from the backyard garden. Look at these beautiful flowers. And then I have this watermelon radish, and then this like magnolia blossoms. Those not peas, magnolia blossom that I need to like plant, so those like seeds. But for now, let's harvest some herbs. And then also I'd like to show you these beautiful flowers. And the roses over there. Parsley. This is parsley. The parsley that I harvested from the backyard garden. Let's add the mortadella and then the tomatoes. While that is cooking, I would like to show you this beautiful mug that was gifted to me by Toku2. It's the same company who gave me the fox mug that I showed I think in the last week's video. And this one is like, look at the adorable puppy who would like to join you. If this is in front of you, that puppy would like to join you in the dinner table. So cute, so adorable. And the puppy is actually tiptoeing in order to reach the table and to be able to join you in that while you're eating your breakfast, your lunch, or your dinner. And this is made of high quality ceramics. This is microwave safe and dishwasher safe. And look at the mouth is very smooth, like everything is so very smooth. This is a very well made mug. This can be used for cold and hot beverages. So you can have your coffee here, or tea, or like your cappuccino, or your juice, so hot or cold. If you are looking for a mug, or if you're looking for a gift this Christmas or holiday season, this is the perfect one. I'll put the link down below. Look at how colorful. See? Oh my. So very pretty, right? And then instead of adding the eggs here, I'll cook the eggs separately. Let's add the parsley here. And then just like pour it like that. This is more of like a scrambled egg. And I am using this very cute mug for my coffee. I put like sugar already. Look at the mug. This is the super cute puppy looking at me. Usually that amount of coffee, I made like 4 cups on this like Breville. Usually with a regular mug, like for example with like this mug, that 4 cups is already filled up. This is already filled up. But with this one, it has like a larger capacity. It still has a space. Now let's add our eggs in here, our scrambled eggs. No, better. Pretty. It makes the dish pretty when you add like feta cheese like that, right? It looks more appetizing. This is our still sizzling, and this is our brunch. The puppy is super ready to eat. Look at that. This is the back of the puppy. Eating time, Josh. I will switch the decorations to Christmas very soon. And once done, you can just put it in the dishwasher. So this is dishwasher safe and microwave safe. I would like to share with you this like useful set of pliers that was gifted to me by Nucalux. That's the branding. It came with 8 different pliers for different like purpose. So you have the long nose here, the bend nose, the round nose, the flat nose. This is a chain nose, the linesman. This is like cutter, and this one is the gripper. The gripper is the most useful to me. So the gripper is, for example, you are making jewelry. So this is for like crafting and like specifically for jewelry making or like jewelry repair. So if, for example, you are making jewelry and you're done and you need to cut the end, like the extra thread or nylon or whatever you're using, then you use this one to like clean it up. And so this is made of like super durable, like high quality carbon steel, and then it has an anti-slip like handle, ergonomic anti-slip handle, and it came with a very neat base where you can clamp or arrange your like pliers and then display it in your hobby room if you have a hobby room, or in your garage if or wherever you are like doing your like jewelry making or like jewelry repair. For example, if you are making a bracelet like this, it has all the pliers that you would need to make one of this. From like this is nylon, but if you are using or garter, if you are using like another material, for example, that you need to bend, then you can use like, for example, this one. So like it has like all the pliers that you would need. And then if you have like, for example, this jewelry is broken, then you can also fix this using one of those pliers, maybe like this, like long nose pliers to like fix stuff. And if you are like making earrings, for example, if you need to like if you need to bend, then you have these pliers. Or if there is a chain, then there is like this chain pliers. So this is like more of a complete set, everything that you would need in like jewelry making or like jewelry repair. I highly recommend getting a set like this if you are into like jewelry making, or if you would like to like start a hobby of jewelry making, which I think is fun. I'm excited to share with you this light binder. First, like this is an awesome gift because like it came in a box, so you could easily like wrap this beautifully. It has like a nautical design, which is more of timeless. So this is the front, this is the side, and this is the back, and it has this elastic band to kind of like close it to make sure that all the documents here are like more of like secured. And then when you open it, it has like the first page is table of contents, and then you have a label, a blank label here, so you can label like this, like table of contents. And also you can use this label for like the envelopes. So it came with envelopes like this to store like, again, important documents like kind of like birth certificate, baptism certificate, like first communion, like the important stuff. And then it's also secured with this one. And the paper used here is stone paper, which is waterproof and tear-proof. And this is, let's see if it's like, yeah, it is like sort of, this is more of expandable, as you can see here. So you can store like a pile of documents. You have 4 of the vertical envelopes that you can expand. You have another 4 of the horizontal envelopes, and then 6 of this like half-page envelopes where you can store your passports and IDs and stuff. So, and again, this is like the paper used is stone paper, which is waterproof and tear-proof. This is a perfect gift for like any occasion, like baby showers, birthdays, holidays, because every home should have one of this. It's more of a need than a want. It makes like life really easy when you know where to find your important documents when you need them, versus trying to find all over your house, right? So I highly recommend this one. These are our plant haul. today. Some vegetables and flowers. This is for our patio, and this one too, and as well as the those dragon or like snapdragons, and then the rest are for the raised garden beds. It's gardening day. Then we are planting the lettuce that we got from Greentown yesterday. And then the other one, and then that one is what maybe romaine.
This one is butter crunch.
Oh, butter crunch.
You want the butter crunch here or you?
A bell pepper to harvest. This, and then there's another one there.
Here, big one. Nice.
And this one. There you go.
Sayang oh. Hindi nag-grow.
Oh.
Pumutok na eh.
So just now time to water them.
How many?
2. We need to plant the other 2. The lettuce are here. This is perfect this season from fall through spring, and you could wear this in any occasion. I own sweatshirts that are way more expensive than this, but if I have to pick, I will pick this one because this is so fashionable. I love the colors, the blue and the pink, and like the way it is like designed, and then with this like a lining here, and then the pocket here. And also what I like about this is this one, so you could button it up all the way, and then you could button it down too like that. So super, and then you could have a necklace. So this is the front, it's like the back. So this was gifted to me by Doko 2. This is the brand. It has an elastic waistband and also like elastic cuffs made of Sherpa fleece. So this is super duper comfortable. And so when it gets warm, you could just like pull this up, and you could pair it with like what I did here. You could coordinate this with your watch. I matched the blue and the pink. I could do like a lighter pink to match with this with the colors here. I love the pink and the blue, how they complement each other perfectly. And you could match this with any like jeans. And also you could wear this in any occasion. You could wear this while running errands, you could wear this while like jogging, you could wear this while skiing, and you could like layer this, so you could have like something underneath, or you could have like an outer, like for example you are like skiing, you could have like an outerwear. But this is very, very comfortable, perfect like this season, through like, you know, from this like fall through winter and even like through spring. So I highly recommend this like sweater if you are looking for one. This is so stylish and so fashionable. Super love this. I'm going to Allen Pacific to get some stuff. I'm thinking of making paksiw na bangus, or more like kind of like milkfish in vinegar and salt with ginger. I'll get milkfish. And this one, oxen palm. Two of this. Ang gusto ko lang dito, kropek. Isang oishi, okay. Ding dong. Sisakon, okay. Okay, hanapin ko. Bye! Etong boy bawang sisakon? Ay, 5, okay. Hindi pa. Wala akong makitang pork, pero magtatanong ako. Walang pork bouillon. Magtatanong ako. Oh. Ilang boy bawang? Oh my god, natatanggal na yan. Baho po. Alright. And I'm waiting for my milkfish that they are cleaning up and slicing. I'll get C2 for Josh. He likes this. Let's put in the fish here. And then I am going to use here are the vegetables for this recipe. I actually like this with a lot of vegetables. So we have eggplant, tomatoes, bitter melon, and then we have ginger, garlic, and onion. I'm just adding them here, and then later I will add like red onion to make it colorful. So all the juice of this like vegetables will drip into the fish. So we need vinegar. I'm using this like white vinegar. Lots of white vinegar. And then salt. And then just like cook until it's boiling. Here's our paksiw na bangus with lots of veggies, which I like. I like the veggies actually more than the fish because the fish here is a little bony. Has lots of bones. Let's eat. The gardeners are here. I need help with stuff.
Yes, the branches.
Yeah, the branches help throw. And then like this one, this one is done. Can we remove it?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, but you can leave this one here. Just
Everything
plant.
or just only this one?
Oh, this like a 4.
4, okay.
Yeah. One second, I'm going to harvest. Like
This tomato?
tomato, yeah, they're done. Thank you. And then, oh yeah. This one maybe just cut. We're having tea with our Krispy Kreme donuts. Husband would like this roasted green tea. Josh likes mango tea. And then I'm having the raspberry hibiscus tea. The mango tea is very, very fragrant too. And that's the mango tea. And then plus one will like this one. This is the green tea Hojicha roasted green tea. And then tea time. Let's have tea time. Here's our Krispy Kreme. This was a dozen, but then we ate some of them already. And here's what's left. Eating time, guys. Have the holiday favorites now. They have the peppermint mocha, caramel brulee latte, chestnut praline latte, iced ginger oatmeal chai, pecan crunch oatmeal latte, and then iced sugar cookie almond latte. These are the Christmas like cookies or like sweets. They have the dark toffee bond, penguin cookie, and snow one cake pop. Oh, look at that! These are the coffee beans, Christmas blend, holiday blend, Christmas blend, Christmas blend. Oh, nice.